All right. What's going on, guys? Mike Witt here with Kontek Industries, and here we're going to talk about our GP2 weapons port. I know, right? All right. What's going on? Is it Brandon? Yeah. Mike, nice to meet you, man. Hey, can we borrow this BRE for about 10 minutes? We gotta get some video shot real quick. Oh, hey there! All right. This one right here is a NIJ-4 rated ballistic port. What that means, it's capable of withstanding an impact from a 30-06 AP round. So, what's unique about this particular port are quite a few things, actually. First off, all of our ports come on a modular rail system that sits within the BRE itself. So the benefit of the modular rail system is it gives you quite a few advantages. During the installation phase, you have the ability to actually get these level, plumb, and set within the building so you get the best seal around the edge of the ports. That's first off. Second off, it gives you the ability, a very, very smooth glide capability with the bearing system in here to manipulate that port and traverse it to the left or to the right with absolute ease. So, to go over a few of the components, we have our flag system right here. So the benefit of this is when it's engaged in the up position, the port is locked to the front and is pressing out against the exterior of the building to create that seal. What you're gonna do to engage the port is you're gonna simply just drop the flag. Now there's a few different ways to manipulate this port. So if you're using a weapon system, and you're using that weapon system at the alert, and eventually into the tactical, all you simply have to do is have your hand on the weapon system, your firing hand, or use your non-firing hand to get a slight port manipulation. You're gonna press in the direction you wanna go, and you're gonna get the smallest amount of play that you can get to get eyes on target, weapon system down range, and offer yourself the max protection. So from here, you also have the ability to pull your weapon system in and traverse with absolute ease to the other side of the weapons port. And again, you can go and get your angles of fire that you need to engage the enemy. Now, this weapon system, or this weapons port I should say, will traverse all the way to the left and all the way to the right. Now, tactically speaking, there's not many opportunities in which you're gonna want a fully open weapons port, but it does give you that full degree of capability to have the port completely open, whether you're going to the left or to the right, depending on your angles of fire. So also it gives you the ability to manipulate the weapons port with both hands on the weapon system. All you're gonna do is drop the flag. Once you have that flag down, you see how I'm using the outside of my elbow. I'm engaging the port and moving. I have both hands on the weapon system. If I need to make any minor adjustments, simply tap back and get exactly where I need to be on my target. So when you're ready to close that port up, all you're simply gonna do is again engage the flag, get it center line. You're gonna press in the direction, get that port centered over the porthole, re-engage it center line, press your flag up, and you're locked up, ready to rock and roll. So also on our modular rail system, we have a industry-only system in which it's actually put on a knife edge, in which you actually have a V-shaped roller that sits on top of this rail system. So most other ports you'll see out there, they're actually the inverse. The issue with that is it captures dust, dirt, debris, and eventually over time the rails on other manufacturers' ports will get stuck, clogged, and require constant maintenance to keep them clean and free of movement. So this here is designed to actually shed water, moisture, dirt, debris, all those sorts of things so you have good, constant mobility with your port. I am Mike Witt. Thank you for watching this video on our GP2 weapons port. If you have any questions, hit us up on our website or email us at info@kontekindustries.com. Okay. I'm going to insert an empty magazine into here for dramatic effect.